Welcome to SmartFlo, the workflow system that both orchestrates and choreographs the flow of jobs through tasks in virtually any workflow. You don't have to be a software programmer to learn how to create workflows in SmartFlo. All you have to do is be able to drag and drop the roles, place the tasks on the diagram, and connect the tasks with directional arrows. Jobs can be started through workflows very easily. Either manually start the job through the pull-down screens or load a file with all of the jobs listed. Hit Start Job and the jobs will appear on the job board. The job board is a virtual dashboard that allows you to understand the status of all jobs at any time. Clicking on a task displays the task details screen. You can see where you are in the context of the workflow. You can view the job's metadata or access the virtual job bag. By opening up the archive system, one can drag and drop assets from the archive into a job bag. Any type of asset can be supported, and of course it creates thumbnails and previews that can be annotated. Click to open the Manage Task tab. Here you can see task routing options. Tasks can be split to multiple tasks, and immediately the job board is updated to reflect the dual assignment. SmartFlo has a unique way of managing archives and repositories. It allows individuals to share repositories with anyone in their group. You can have as many file repositories as you want, and you can associate them with archives, job briefs, production jobs, or collaborations. Any type of video file, graphics file. It's easy to create an archive. You just associate with a group and then define the archive. Here we'll take the Splashlight group, define a summer fashion archive, add the archive to our overall tree. We can then view that archive. Opening up the view of the archives, we now see we have a blank archive ready to add files to it. I'll open up my Finder, drag a few thumbnails out of my Finder into the archive itself, and you notice that the system will create thumbnails and previews, and you can drag as many as you want. You can even drag a nested folder of archives if you like, if you don't want the thumbnails built. Once we have the thumbnails, there's also a set of previews. We can quickly pop up a preview. There's properties that came in with the file automatically, and of course we can add comments to files, and there's essentially a comment blog that goes along with every asset that's put into the system, and that blog survives whatever versions that are created, so it's essentially a life cycle record to the asset itself. Now what we'll do is we'll open up a job bag and essentially view our asset in the archive and drag that asset directly into the job bag. What could be easier in terms of managing files? And of course, here's our comment that went along with it. SmartFlo makes it easy to initiate and manage collaborations through their various creative cycles. You can track everything on your calendar. You can roll up reports that allow you to analyze the billing, look at the dwell time for different task completions. You can even create customized forms with a drag and drop forms editor. Collaborations consisting of dozens of files can be shared off of a simple tiny URL. All the user has to do is click on the video file and it'll start playing in the browser. Thank you for watching this brief SmartFlo overview.